Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today I'm going to show you the TRD billet aluminum upper control arms, which are standard on a TRD Pro, Tundra, or Sequoia, but for whatever reason they're not included on a TRD lift kit. Let's get started. Okay, so the coveted TRD red billet aluminum upper control arm on a third generation Tundra Sequoia is only available on a TRD Pro. The TRD lift kit, the 2.5-inch Bilstein TRD lift kit that comes with, we can get it from factory or dealer install, will come with a new upper control arm, but it'll be silver and it will be steel. So to get a aluminum upper control arm through Toyota, genuine part, this is your only option, and this is your only color option. And the reason that I say that is because the 4Runner and the Tacoma both, they're 2.5-inch TRD lift kits that are, that you can get through the dealer, will come with a billet aluminum upper control arm. Tundras are going to come with a steel upper control arm. So another key difference is that the Tundra or the Tacoma and the 4Runner are also going to come with 3 color choices for that billet aluminum upper control arm. You can do bronze, silver, or red. Red being the TRD Pro, bronze being the Trail Hunter, and then silver being your standard, but all it's the same exact part number with different color code at the end. So getting back to Tundra, this is a TRD lift, 2.5-inch TRD lifted factory install Tundra. We went ahead and upgraded the upper control arms to the red TRD Pro billet aluminum upper control arms. Question that you may be thinking, are these going to maintain the same caster and camber as the factory TRD upper control arms that come with the lift kit? And the answer is yes. It's got the same bushings, it's got the same specs. It's just going to be billet aluminum in red versus steel and silver. So I do like this upgrade a lot. I think it just adds a lot of visual appeal to the vehicle. And they also have a matching accessory that you can get for the rear suspension assembly, and that would be the rear trailing arm kit, which has 5 pieces of billet aluminum that's going to replace steel, Dom steel, in the back. It's going to upgrade the visual effect on it. We'll do a completely separate video on this because they are different, but they are the same TRD red, they are the same billet aluminum, they are the same finish and color, and they are all made in California in-house at TRD. So if you guys like this upper control arm upgrade, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future Tundra content, and of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask in the comment section below.